namanje ngisasho, first touch in football is everything. Because to me, what made the goal is that first touch by Rele that stood out. And that was Nkota's brilliant with the finish. But come on, guys, let's roll it back. Let me take you to the moment. First touch by Mofokeng. It's the difference in this goal. Look at the touch and the pass. Oof, the weight of the pass, it's something. And what funny is, I want to make a video complimenting first touch from Cheat and then criticize and say, look now, that first touch by the guy, because first touch in football is everything. You can't be a footballer and have a best first touch. And the boy, man, is just brilliant. The pass, the vision, already he understood where to pass. And I like the way how they compliment each other, God. They know where to run, and Rele knows where to pass the ball and when. The most critical part, like this duo, man, is going to kill many teams. And unfortunately, aside for how long, because they might go anytime.